Dr. Rob here, 1 Minute Theology, Lesson 33, and we're continuing on the discussion of the resurrection of Christ. Another piece of evidence is the actions of the disciples before and after the resurrection. Before the resurrection, the Gospels say that they huddle in the upper room for fear of the Jews. The doors are locked. They don't want to be known. They don't want to be found out. They believe they're in danger, and they're afraid. 50 days later, that's less than 2 months, 50 days later, on the day of Pentecost, they are all out in the temple area with Peter preaching to the crowd about Jesus and his life and his death and his resurrection and calling them to repentance. A little later on in Acts, we see them confronting the Sanhedrin and charging them with the death of Jesus. This is the very same Sanhedrin that ordered Jesus to die. And here are the disciples confronting them with the death of Jesus and the blood on their hands. What would cause that kind of change? These disciples were now willing to die for their faith. There's only one really good explanation. They saw Jesus alive. They knew Jesus had conquered death. They knew that he could conquer death for them, and they had no fear of death, and they were ready to give their lives. How else can we explain the actions of the disciples before and after the resurrection? More to come. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.